Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel and join me for another fun journey of Chinese cooking at home. Today we're going to make a cabbage soup, which is similar to the Russian Borscht. As I mentioned before, my hometown is close to Russia, where Russian Chinese fusion recipes are very popular. In this recipe, the meatballs add the Chinese taste to it. The soup is delicious, healthy, and can easily warm you up in the cold winter. None of the ingredients exceptional, however, when they are combined, it is another magic made in heaven. We're gonna need 3/4 pound of ground beef, 2 medium potato, red preferred for its soft texture, peeled, 1 small carrot peeled, 1 medium tomato, some onion and ginger root. Finally, cabbage. Use our hands to tear 2 to 3 cabbage leaves apart. Use your hand to tear it up. Does make a difference. For the thick rib part, use knife to cut it into thin slices. Cut the potato into 1/2-inch thick blocks. Then slice the carrot. Cut the tomato into 1/2-inch pieces too. Mince some onion and ginger root. Add the minced onion and ginger root to the bowl with the ground beef, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, one tablespoon of oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of 5 spices, mix. At this time, the ground beef is still very dry. Cooking wine, 1 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mix again. Make sure you stir towards the same direction every single time. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 egg white, separated into 2 parts to add to the ground beef. Stir towards one direction until the beef gets sticky and soft. It took me about 5 minutes to get it ready. Good exercise for your arms. Now let's make meatball. Put a plastic glove on as needed. Use the thumb and the index finger to form a tiny circle and squeeze the ground beef out. Use your thumb to smooth the surface, then use a spoon to scoop against the long side and form the round ball. One more time. Squeeze, smooth, and scoop. Throw the meatballs into boiling beef stock. I also add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Low to medium heat to avoid big bubbles which could break the meatballs. Bring to a boil. Simmer until the meatballs float. Add in the tomato, carrot, and potato. Proper amount of salt depending on the amount of beef stock that you're using. Bring to a boil. Simmer for 15 minutes. Add 1 star anise or dried bay leaf. I add the star anise at this point instead of at the beginning is because I realize if I throw it in at the beginning, the smell and taste is so strong and I don't quite like it. Then add in the cabbage. Cover the lid and bring to another boil. Simmer for 5 minutes or until the cabbage gets soft. Time to enjoy. Everything in the soup is tasty. I refuse to single out any one of the ingredients. Paired with a slice of homemade bread, it makes my day every single time, no matter what. Well, we're reaching the end of the video. If you enjoyed this episode, please press the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more exciting recipes. See you around.